wanted to explain a little bit more about this difference between how a geologist thinks about angles and how Excel thinks about angles. And it's really the very basic sort of trig of circles, and also how trig works with angles that are larger than 90. But and so I built a spreadsheet. I have this one cell which is the bearing at the geologist. So when the bearing is 0, theta is 90, and theta is the angle that Excel is thinking. And so you see the line on my plot here is straight up. So if we say, well, let's pretend like the bearing is 90, theta is over here is 0. And what I've done is if we just look at how, let's move things around, let's go back to the bearing of 0, and if we go 10 degrees, so there you see the blue line shows the vector of my view from the origin to the circle, and the green line shows the easting component of the position vector, basically, and then the purple shows the northern component. And then as I move around, let's say 20, let's go 30, if I go 70, you can see. So what do you think happens if I do 100? Aha! So what you can see is the easting is still positive, but our northing component goes negative. And same thing, and that's because the theta is now negative, or you could say is 350. Either way, you get the same answer. Now if I do 135, you see I'm coming around. Let's do 200, so we'll be in the third quadrant. Now you see both the easting and the northing components are negative. And if we go to, like, say 300, we're up in that second quadrant, and you see then only the easting is negative, but the northing is positive. So this is I encourage you to make a little spreadsheet like this that helps you think about the angles and make sure you get the right answer.